Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing valuable tips and tricks to boost your software automation testing coding skills. First, mastering programming languages is crucial for writing robust and efficient test scripts. Python, Java, C#, or JavaScript are commonly used languages for test automation. Utilizing test automation frameworks like Selenium WebDriver, Appium, and TestNG provides a structured approach to organizing your test scripts, test data, and test reports. This ensures consistency in test design, execution, and reporting. Embracing version control systems like Git allows you to track changes, collaborate with team members, and revert to previous versions when necessary. This makes it easier to identify and fix issues that might arise during the testing process. Implementing test design patterns like Page Object Model (POM) for web testing and Page Factory for mobile automation promotes reusability, maintainability, and scalability of your test automation code. This makes your test scripts more organized and easier to maintain. Finally, continuous learning and improvement is essential to stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and best practices in automation testing. This ensures you stay relevant and effective in your role as an automation tester. By mastering programming languages, utilizing test automation frameworks, embracing version control, implementing test design patterns, and pursuing continuous learning, you can become a valuable asset in any testing team.